In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Google Sites. Buttons are a simple way to guide visitors to what matters most, whether that's a contact page, a sign-up form, a document, or an external website. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can add a clean, professional-looking button to any page on your site. First, open your Google site and navigate to the exact page where you want the button to appear. It helps to decide in advance where the button will sit, near a headline, at the end of a section, or alongside an image, so it feels like a natural call to action. Remember that layout matters for mobile too, so putting the button in a clear centered spot usually works well across devices. With your page open, look to the right-hand sidebar and select the Insert tab. In that panel, click Button, and this opens a small window where you'll set up the button's basics. Type a short, action-oriented button name. Think Contact Us, Get Started, or View Brochure. Keep it concise so it reads well on all screen sizes. Next, add the link. You can paste a full URL if you're sending visitors to an external site, or you can choose one of your site's pages by starting to type its name and selecting it from the suggestions. If you're linking off-site, make sure the URL includes HTTPS for a secure, reliable connection. When appropriate, consider opening external links in a new tab so visitors don't lose their place on your site. Once you've named the button and added the link, click Insert. The button drops onto your page and you can drag it to position it exactly where you want it. Use the blue alignment guides to center it or to snap it into a column for a tidy layout. You can place buttons side by side in columns or stack them vertically. If you need a matching button elsewhere on the page, copy and paste the one you just created to keep styling consistent. The button's appearance follows your site's theme, so it will automatically match your colors and fonts. If you ever update your theme, your buttons will update along with it, keeping everything consistent. Before you move on, double check the label and the link. A clear label and a correct URL go a long way toward a smooth experience. That's all there is to it. Open your page, insert a button, give it a name and a link, and position it so it stands out. Now you have a focused, clickable call to action ready to guide your visitors.